What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be checking out prime location for sale for $495,000 US. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom property that was built around 50 years ago. Sits on a lot size of 502 square meters. The construction comes out at 393 square meters. It's a great house and I think it's well worth a look. If you're looking for a home here, walking distance from the plaza, from the Malecon, from all the restaurants here in Ajijic, it's a prime location. Guys, come with me today. Let's go and check this property out together. Welcome to Ajijic prime location today. We are in Ajijic Village. As we can see from the facade of the property here, we have space for 2 vehicles coming into this electric gate here. And what's really kind of cool is you have another little bodega here to my right hand side that you can fit your electric bikes in, or even a golf cart. That would work as well here. Come through here, we're going to come in the main pedestrian way into the house. I love coming into this courtyard. I didn't know the property until today, and what I really like about it is it's very charming. It kind of feels like you're coming back in to a property that was built around 50 years ago, 45, 50 years ago, I would say. I love what they've done here with the arch coming over, the brick arch here, and you've got this cute bell up in the top there and things like it. Just adds character to this entrance. Seeing the facade of the house as well with all this Cantella stonework finish. And I like what they've done here with this little covering as you come into the foyer area too. It's a nice house. It's got great bones. And as we come in through here, down to my right hand side, this is where we find the bodega for your electric bikes and more storage and your washer and dryer. So everything's kind of like tucked around here nicely. Here to my left hand side, as we walk into the property, we've got a water feature. It's not on right now, but I can imagine when it is on, it's quite peaceful when you walk in here. Come on through. With these older properties, you never know what you're going to experience when you're coming in. And my eye takes me to all of the Cantella stonework, as you can see here on the stairs, on the stairway up to the second level. The traditional clay flooring here throughout the property, mixed in with these exposed brick boveda ceilings as well, and the arches in between. So the house has a lot of character. Walking into the main home here, the house is spacious. This is a great space. I mean, you've got a very large living room space here. We've got a space for a table as well, a dining room table. This takes us over to what has been renovated in the house. You can see that the granite surfaces here in the kitchen have been renovated. I like what they've done with this little set out breakfast bench here. Just works really nice, and it runs out beautifully into this south facing garden. Coming into the kitchen, as mentioned, the nice granite surfaces, fully equipped kitchen with nice upgraded appliances throughout. Lots of natural light coming in here too. And this is where we can go out to the covered terrace. You have plenty of cabinetry, plenty of storage space here. I mean, it all works really well. So here it looks like they've actually added a little water feature here, a little fountain. Brings in lots of natural light as well. I like that. So a lot of the older homes, you have a little bit of a separation between the dining room and the living room. Here in the dining room, it's very nice. It's a very nice sized room. This is an 8-seater table and it fits in here really well. You can easily walk around it. This is facing the front of the house, so the north part of the house. Feels a bit cooler in here too, this part of the room. So downstairs you have 1 bedroom. Here we have a half bathroom with a Talavera sink, which is embedded into a wooden vanity. Coming through into the downstairs bedroom, ensuite bedroom with a walk-in closet. Good sized room. This is a king size bed. This is nice. It goes out to the covered terrace directly into the pool. So coming in here into the ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, a double sink vanity, and a walk-in closet, a good sized walk-in closet actually. So let's take you upstairs, come on through So coming up the stairs, you can see we have Cantella stone stairs as we come up. That is a nice touch with the exposed brick. So here upstairs we have 4 more bedrooms. These are good sized guest bedrooms, all with a little closet space. So as soon as we come up, we have one to my right hand side. These are all facing north of the property. So looking at the entrance as we come in, this is the 2nd bedroom, good size. And you know, they've all got queen beds. Just to point out as well, guys, with what you see in the property, everything stays. This is a fully furnished property for sale here in Ajijic. This one will be the 4th bedroom. This is slightly bigger than the other 2. And then behind me, you have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. Coming out into this very large living space upstairs, they've turned it into a relaxing living room. It's a great sized room. I mean, you could do a lot with this. Just to point out as well, it's actually quite a nice view from here. So we're looking out to the south facing garden. As you can see, the pool down below. You've got a seating area outside for al fresco eating. And then the garden kind of goes down. Behind me, as we come down, we're going to come down 1 step into the principal bedroom. Upstairs has a small walk-in closet and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. I like this room. This is a south-facing room like the one underneath, the other principal. Good size. I mean, if you wanted to, you could definitely put a king-size bed here. This is a queen. As you can see, the bathroom is there and the little walk-in closet. You've got a little bit more closet space here too, which is kind of facing the bed. This little area could be easily turned into something. I would think it's been quite nice actually to open a sliding door here or something to look out more of the garden, because it's a great garden. I'm talking about the garden. Let's go and check it out. Let's go and check out this beautiful south-facing garden. I like the covered terrace here. This is where we have the kitchen just behind me. So there's another entrance into the kitchen here. But I like what they've done. So when you're in the pool, you can come and have a little seat here, get some food from the kitchen, don't have to go in the house and get the house wet. Great space, very comfortable. It's kind of like a little outside bar space. I love that. Coming out to the south-facing garden here, and the pool looks in reasonable condition. It's a heated swimming pool. You've got the solar heating on the roof. This is really a cocktail pool, isn't it? It's perfect for this kind of size of a garden. Here to my right, you've got a nice seating area, which is very nice. We do like eating outside here in Mexico, and what a great space this would be with your friends and family. Lovely. Here to my right, another seating area. This is actually where we come out from the principal bedroom down. You can see there's a couple of steps coming down here, all a nice covered terrace. You can't beat a mature garden. So coming down 4 steps here, we're coming in to this very nice mature garden. It feels like you're being hugged by the mango tree, by the avocado tree. It hasn't been actually utilized much, but what a wonderful space this really is. If you're into a bit of gardening, you could really turn this into something very cute. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of prime location here in Ajijic. If you'd like to come and see a private viewing of this property, feel free to reach out to me. My email is here on the screen. As per usual, check out in the description of the video, that's where the link is for the MLS. Check that out. For any additional information, feel free to reach out to me, guys. I'll be happy to organize a tour for you and answer any questions that you may have. If you'd like to come and see any other properties around Lake Chapala, feel free to reach out to me and we can organize a tour. That's it from me. I hope you're all doing really well. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.